Hello everybody. My name is Joakim Stenberg, and I work as a client technologist in the Nordics. And I know you probably had a long day, but I will do my best to sparkle the interest. And I hope after this session that if you haven't tried any of our Lenovo products, you'll at least be very interested to start doing so. And I do have a lot to cover, so let's jump into it. So Lenovo, we envision a world where every person and business has access to the technology that allows them to achieve their own intelligent transformation. So basically what we mean by this is that we are passionate about the product's innovation and security. But it's all of you guys that are doing the real work that can really make your own intelligent transformation. So you're owning your own content, and by having the best technology to do it, that is secure, reliable, and that you can trust. So we just are passionate about our products, and we do have a lot of products. I will just cover a short brief of the environmental and sustainability. We all know we're living in a world where there is a lot of talk about how we can be more efficient in power efficiency. So what we're doing, I just want to highlight some of these initiatives that we do. And first of all, we're a leader in innovating packaging. So in terms of all the packaging, we are using a bio-based bamboo and bagasse package that reduces the overall packaging size. And then a huge saving because we do ship a lot of boxes. So all the transportation and emissions is kept as low as possible. We're also using a low temperature solder, and this is also to build a more sustainable process to build longer and more reliable devices, so conserve energy. So we use less energy when we're producing our motherboards, for example. We also have a CO2 offset service, and that means that we're compensating for all the emissions produced and over the life cycle, so we can individually on each part number compensate for the CO2. And yeah, closing the loop, we're using a lot of recycled content a lot in our products as well. So we do have a lot of products. This is just to give you an overview. I will dig more into some of the notebook devices, visuals, docking stations, but this is just to give you an overview that we have a product that fits everybody needs. So everything from telephones with under the Motorola brand, server, storage, AR, VR, and then of course notebook, tablets, and also smart devices. So we do have devices for conference rooms and smart collaborations. So digging into our flagship product, the ThinkPad, and as you know, the ThinkPad is our legendary workhorse for commercial clients, and we do have some updates in 2021. I just want to highlight a few of them. So So we do have the premium redesigns of the X series and T series. I will go into that later. And we do have new technology in terms of the L13 Yoga, and also a Chromebook expansion into a more enterprise type of device, this T13 Yoga. On the end user experience, we're shifting some of the models to 1610 panels, which means there's narrower bezels, more display filling out the panel, and we also have larger touchpads. In terms of the wireless leadership, we're also introducing the 5G expansion, which has been, from an innovative side, quite tough. It demands more energy and more antennas. But we do have a full 5G expansion in our portfolio as well. Wi-Fi 6, category 12 and 16 V-WAN with embedded eSIM. So the eSIM is very convenient, that you don't need to have a physical SIM card. And we also improved our match on chip, so you have the fingerprint reader on the power button, so only a one touch to start the device and log in. On selected models, we also have a human presence detector, and it's a sensor that can just recognize if you are in front of the computer, and so zero touch login, and it will lock when you walk away, and a very nice feature, and also updated some of the security features on BIOS and firmware. So looking into the X13, so it's a new form factor with the 1610 display. I'm not going to go through all the details. And if you haven't tried them out, please reach out to your Lenovo representative, and we can make sure that you can have a demo unit to try it out. The look and feel is amazing, and it's the new 1610-inch format of the display is giving you a better workflow and also more seamless design. So next up, we have the X1 Carbon Gen 9. So this one is also updated with the 1610 display, and you also have the carbon fiber woven cover on top as an option. Also fully featured with the latest CPUs and 5G connectivity. Also with the human presence detection sensor. So this is on our top line. We also introduced this year the world's first foldable PC. It's called the X1 Fold. And we spent a lot of engineering hours and years in making this a true one-of-a-kind product. So as you can see, the screen in the middle can fold, so you can have it in a very small format, and then you can just fold it out and have the large display. It's also optional with the Bluetooth keyboard with wireless charging, and very nice device and groundbreaking design. Another the lightest ThinkPad ever built is the X1 Nano, and it's below 1 kilo, so feather lightweight, but with really great performance, and it's amazing this device for portability. So it's also 1610-inch display. and also featured with the Dolby Atmos speaker system and all-day battery life. So working in this new environment with a lot of Teams meeting and working from home has increased our screen time, and even jumping now through the pandemic. So I just wanted to highlight the fact that we're spending a lot of time in front of screens, and this can be a burden to our eyes, and also the ergonomic of the change in the workflow, how we spend more time in front of the screen than meeting other people. So from the innovation side of Lenovo, we have the Thinkvision iSafe certified display. And what it does is that it lowers the harmful blue light. And this particular innovation will won't stress your eye, and be more delicate to your eye. And what we have is a full range of products, but if you look for the iSafe display sticker and the certified sticker, then you know that this display have this feature. Just showing the overview of our displays, Thinkvision, and this is for our commercial range. So it goes from the E series up to the P series. We have a wide range of models and screen sizes. So I'm sure we have the screen that fit your needs as well. The M series is also a very nice product that you can sit next to your laptop, and it just fit in the same height. Portable, you just plug it in with USB power, and you have a dual screen solution when you're out traveling or needs to be very mobile. And then I'd like to highlight one of the products that is pretty much all in one, and it's the Thinkvision T27 Hv. Also have the harmful blue light reduction, and it has a camera built in on top, and you also have the USB-C total solution, so it can transfer both the power to charge your notebook, but also that you can daisy chain it, so it's one single cable management, very nice and sleek design, hands-free, and this type of solution is perfect in a modern work environment. And then talking about docking stations, we do have very thorough testing and high quality demands when we launch our products. So as you can see, the cables, the bending test is 7+ times. Tortuous plug and play tests, so 2,000 times you can plug and unplug your cables, and also 48-hour extreme temperature test. If there's any key message that you should remember on our docks, is that they are universal compatibility. So if you have a Lenovo docking station, you know that it will work with all other brands out there as well, and with all the features as Pixie Boot, Wake on Loan, and MAC address pass-through. And this is an overview of our docking stations. We also introduced a smart dock, and the new feature with the smart dock is that you can manage it completely without having the computer connected to it. So in environments where you don't have access to, or the computer is connected to the docking station, you still can manage the dock as well. Okay, so let's talk about security. And security, I would say, is in our DNA, and it's built in from the ground up. And we do it on all our products. And the ThinkShield is our brand, which is the umbrella for all the security features that we build in our products. And just to have an example that when we build in our security, you have it in different layers. So first of all, from the supply chain security, means that we have a trusted device setup with a transparent supply chain. So you can track your device, that it's all the components is robust and haven't been tampered with on the way of from production to shipping and when you receive the unit. And then you have below the operating system, self-healing BIOS. And this is a key feature because on a notebook, you don't have that much space. So meaning that if you fail with the BIOS upgrade, the whole machine is then wasted. But we have a self-healing feature. So even if fail upload the new BIOS, there's a fail safe to reload the working one. And then we're working in collaboration with everything from the components manufacturers to the to Microsoft with security features to deliver the most secure platform. And then we have the legendary reliability for all of you that have owned or used the ThinkPad. You know that the quality is amazing, and we do rigorous testing. So we're following the mil spec. So we have 27 procedures to ensure it can handle any environmental hazards. So this one gives you just the safe of whatever you're using your machine, you can trust it will work. And going into support, during the pandemic, a lot of people have been working from home. So the IT department has been challenged with how to handle the support. We offer premier support, and this one not only covers the hardware but also software. So during the pandemic, we also made it that we go out and meet the people in the reception or outside. So it's been safe as well. And the Premier support is 24/7, 365, so it's fully covered. And for remote workers, you also have a lot of the calls are non-hardware. So we've seen that a lot of the support has increased to be software related, and we do offer a solution for that. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions afterwards or meet with your local representative. Okay, thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the day.